Good afternoon everyone. Me and my group is going to present an excellent agriculture technology which is none other than hydroponics. Now Pushpender is going to tell you what is hydroponics.
Hydroponics is the technique of growing plants using a water-based nutrient solution rather than soil.
As you all know, hydroponics is a complex laboratory process, but now in this video we are going to explain how you can do hydroponics farming at your home.
Step number first, take a plastic cup, make a small hole at bottom, then fill cocoa peat in that, then put seed and water it, make it germinate. Second step.
After 25 days, step number 2, make a holding stand of a thermocol for these plastic cups. Step number 4, fill the thermocol container with water and add hydroponic solution, which is 30 ml of solution in 14 liter of water. And mix it thoroughly as shown in video.
Add 30 ml of second nutrient solution as shown in video.
Step number 7. Then fix the germinated plants in our thermocol stand.
After 35 days, condition of our vegetable plant as shown in video.
By following these simple steps, even you can grow any vegetable or plant at your home without requiring any big farm or land. Thank you everyone.